Only so much we can really do. Feeling so powerless over you. All you really want is the bottom line. If you look inside yourself, what will you really find? Fuck the man! Fuck the system! Slowly consume my own sick money addiction. Sometimes I feel like saying, fuck it all. This shit called great existence. Watch the bodies fall. You deign to ignore human need in service of your lust for greed. If they can't afford, you will let them die. We will take good care of you. What a lie. Fuck the man! Fuck the system! Slowly consumed by your sick money addiction. Sometimes I feel like saying, fuck it all. This shit called great existence. Watch the bodies fall. How can I make myself care when all I see is lost in despair? I know now what I must do. Overthrow the system and rebuild anew. Fuck the man, fuck the system. Won't let you consume us with your money addiction. Now together we'll all say, fuck it all. We will tear it down, watch the empire fall.